Our award-winning BabySafe ISOFIX base offers you even greater security and peace of mind when on the road, and is compatible with BabySafe infant carriers. Offering maximum protection with minimum fuss, the base fixes directly to the vehicle's ISOFIX connection points to eliminate any chance of an installation error, while the built-in indicators confirm that the base and infant carrier are fitted correctly. The base itself stays in the car, and the infant carrier simply clicks in and out as and when you need it, allowing for quick installation and removal. The ISOFIX connectors make it easy to transfer the base safely from one car to another. The built-in foot prop and rebound bar provides extra stability and reduced movement. The ISOFIX base can be folded away for an easy, compact and simple storage. The Britax BabySafe ISOFIX base, independently recognized by consumer test organizations across Europe.